All right, Coach Kim here, ready to give you a great upper body workout. All you need is a pair of dumbbells, pair of shoes, smile on your face, and always check with your doctor before starting any exercise program. All right, Coach Kim here, you got your dumbbells in hand. If you're a beginner, I suggest you start with maybe 3s, 5s. If you're moderate, maybe 8, 10 pounds. So let's go ahead and get ready. I'm gonna give you 4 exercises. I'm doing a superset. This means I'm gonna alternate between 2 exercises with little or no rest. 40 seconds each exercise. So just follow along with me. If the weights get too heavy, remember to have a pair to lighten up, or if it's too light, go a little bit heavier. This is going to be a great upper body workout. So we're going to start with the first one, feet shoulder width, soften the knees. It's a hammer curl to a shoulder press. So I'm going to demo the first exercise. We're going to do a little hammer curl and then press it directly above the head and then come down the same way. All right, let's get ready. 40 seconds of work. Soften the knees. Clock is on. I'm pressing it up. So I'm working the top of the arms, specifically the long head of the bicep, and I'm pressing the weight up, working the shoulders. Perfect. And you know, we start losing muscle after the age of 30, and there's a lot of you like me that were past 30, so it's important that we lift weights. Strength training. You're halfway done. Good. And I suggest you do this about 3 times a week. Couple it with a good cardio program, and that could be as simple as a 30-minute walk every single day, and you could even break it up into 10 minutes at a time. Good. And if you're a beginner, always start small. Let's get one more, and rest. Now this next one's a doozy. Push up to a mountain climber. Use your weights. This helps if you have wristy issues. Put this right underneath your arms. You're in a high plank position. We're gonna do a full push up, just like this, to a mountain climber. Now some of you are saying that's way too challenging. Drop to the knees and do a push up this way, and then do the mountain climber. Okay, this is not a push up. That is a shoulder issue waiting to happen. So let's get ready. 40 seconds. This is tough. Ready and go. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. Tummy tight. That's it. And you could do this on your kitchen counter as well. Down and up. And if you're a beginner, you might want to start with that one up on the kitchen counter. So I'm showing you how you can do it on the knees too. Tummy tight. Push. Good. And if this is still too challenging, you can just hold a plank, and I'm fine with that. We can build up to it. Down and up. So this is your pushing movement. Tummy nice and tight. So it's working your chest, your shoulders, your arms. Whoo! Down and up. And good. Stand tall. Let's get ready. Superset means we're going back to the hammer curl to shoulder pressed. Ready? And go. Up and press. Now those of you that are beginners, I recommend you just do 1 round of each of these exercises. And then if you're more than a beginner, 2 rounds, advanced 3 rounds. So I am going to be doing 3 rounds with you all, but build up to that. I want you people to fix your hair tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? I don't want you so sore that it's not fun to move your arms around. Up and breathe. You've got 15 seconds. Soften the knees, tummy tight. You can grab a lighter weight if you need to. 8 more seconds. Breathe on the push. Good, you got 1 more. And up. Good. Let's go ahead and shake it out a little bit with the arms. Get ready for those push-ups. Again, don't be afraid to use the kitchen counter if you need to. Hands on the shoulders, high plank position. Here we go. Push up to a mountain climber. Oh, I love push-ups. Whoo, really get those arms you're looking for, chest. And the mountain climber is activating the core. Remember, drop to the knees if you need to. And look where my face is. It's directly in front of my hands, or in front of my dumbbells there. It's not right here. That's not what I want. Tummy tight. Push up, mountain climber. Now, if you're doing a push up like this, that's not deep enough, okay? You gotta make sure you hit that chest to deck. Push. Whoo, I'm feeling this. Doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. And stand tall. Good. Get ready. 3rd set. Soft knees. Ready, go. Curl, press. Whoo, you feeling it? You feeling strong? That's it. You know, by our 8th decade of life, we have lost over half of our muscle. So it's really important that you do weight-bearing activities. Whew. That's it. This is the last one, 3rd round. And those of you that are advanced, yes, the 3rd round should be great, but remember, you got to build up to this. 15 more seconds. Breathe and push. Notice how my hands in a neutral grip, palms in towards my ears. and lifting above my head. Breathe and push and rest. All right, push up. Some of you are going, no, I'll ask if you want some cheese with that wine. You know this is going to make you strong. You are strong. Ready? Go. Push up. Yes, this is a tough one. I chose it on purpose. Woo! Push up to mountain climber. Push up. That's it. Put some good thoughts in your head. Put some good music on. You've got this. Whether you think you can or can't, you're right. I love that Henry Ford quote. Whether you think you can or can't, you're right. So what are you saying right now? You're saying, I can. Even if you have to move up to the kitchen counter or the wall, you're saying, I can do it. Last one, and rest. Okay, shake it out. We have 2 more exercises, 2 new ones. Tricep kickback, which is the back of the arms, followed by a plank low row. So again, I'm going to start with the standing exercise, and then we're going to head down for the plank low row. So grab your weights. You might want to grab a lighter pair. You're going to have one foot in front of the other, lock the elbows in. I'm hinging forward at a 45 degree, and I'm going to kick back, squeezing the back of my arms, and forth. Ready? And go. So kick and squeeze the triceps. Girls, are you thinking spaghetti strap dresses? Men, you're saying, I'm strong like bull. Kick. Back and forth. Whoo! No one likes to wave to their friend and see their arms jiggle around. You know that's never fun? So this is anti-arm jiggling exercise. The back of the arms. Squeeze the tricep. I don't want you up here. You've got to be hinged forward at a 45 degree. Use gravity to help you. And it does not matter which foot's in front of the other. That's it. Kick it back and forth and rest. Now this next one, it's called a plank low row. Let me show you. It's just like we did earlier, except you're pulling and not pushing. So high plank position, put your feet nice and wide, ready, row. Excellent, just like this. I'm gonna do 20 seconds on each side. What I don't wanna see is this. Keep your tummy tight. I'm in a plank position. Yes, and you could do this elevated too, all the way up, 20 seconds each side. This is your pull. Last one, switch sides, ready, go. So this is working the outside of the back there. Think about that bra fat area you don't want. Whew, that's it. It's obviously working a lot of core as well. And I know this can be hard on some people's wrists. Whew. Keep tummy tight, that's it. So breathe out, come back down, and rest. All right, let's stand up with your weights. How was that last weight? Was it just right, or do you need to go a little heavier? Okay, I'm switching my feet. It doesn't matter, like I said, which foot in front of the other. Hinge forward, ready, go. Kick back and forth. You're not doing this. You're squeezing the tricep. I know all the tricks. I've been doing this for 36 years with clients. So I've got my eye on you. I know what people like to do. They start doing this, or you're just watching this instead of doing it. Kick back and forth. Make sure you are the person that is doing the exercise. You're here for a reason. You're watching it for a reason because you want results. And this is the key to aging well. Moving this body, doing something physical every day. One more, kick and rest. Okay, plank low row. Do you want a lighter or a heavier weight, or is that other weight just right? Here we go, ready? And pull. The weights don't make us bulky. Eating that whole entire cheesecake to yourself, that's what makes us bulky. Pull. Good, 10 more seconds. You can drop to the knees if you need to, okay? So if it's getting too challenging on the wrist, just make sure that you are in a plank type position. I'm not back here, switch sides. Pull. See how I'm in that plank push-up type position? Harder's up here. Keep your stomach tight, 10 more seconds. Breathe and pull, we're finishing our second round. That's it. And rest. Okay, stand up, grab your weights, last round, hang with me. This is it, last 80 seconds. Ready? And kick. So 40 seconds of the tricep kickback, 40 seconds of the plank low row, and you are gonna feel fabulous all day long. You are fabulous. Kick. Those words, I am, are very powerful. Say, I am strong, I am healthy. Don't you dare say I am weak. I'm tired. Kick. Mindset. You're going to hear me talk a lot about that. Kick, kick, kick. Only 10 more seconds. Squeeze the tricep. Back. You've got time for one more. Beautiful. All right, weight on the ground. Let's get ready. Plank low row. Start off into a high plank if you can, and go. Pull. Pull. Is your head in line with your body? Your butt's not sticking in the air, is it? Hopefully you're in front of a mirror, or you have someone telling you so you can see what you look like right there. Drop to the knees if you need to. Pull. Let's get one more. Switch sides. Last 20 seconds. Hang in there. Whew. That's it. 10 more seconds. No one ever says, I wish I didn't work out today. And this is a doozy of a workout. Whoo, it's a humdinger. And rest. Yes. Shake those arms out. Beautiful. All right, thanks for joining Coach Kim today. Let me know how you feel in the comments below. And remember, movement's medicine, motion is lotion.